Okay folks, thank you for spending some time with me today looking at this 2020 Apex Nano product. It's a model 191 RBS for a rear bathroom with a slide out. It's got a nice deep slide out in the middle, so for a small trailer, it's only 7.5 foot wide as well. We'll start on the inside, show you how nice this interior is. We'll finish on the outside. So we've got the interior here is a very open concept like you would want to have with the rear bathroom, small 20 foot, 19 foot trailer. You definitely want to have that. You've got your storage overhead here, and on the sides of that bed area, a little window built into that cap now is nice, and you got your walk-around island bed here. But look at how open this is with a nice deep slide out that's got doors that get underneath that booth. You can also lift up the cushions and get under it if you had something big and heavy you wanted to get to. You also have your air conditioning up here and a bonded one-piece roof. So I love the way these are built. They're built incredibly well. They use Asdale, which is a non-wood product over there in the lamination, which has been proven to be very good and reliable for not having any real issues with separation, which is nice. You do have some storage down underneath the sink, which you can see that. Microwave down below in the furnace. Your refrigerator is nice because they used to have a small one. Now it's nice to have that 6 cubic foot storage above it built in. And also the doors that you're going to see here overhead gives you all that storage in the overhead as well. Also, I like this model for like a couple specifically is because it does have very good features in the sense of having plenty of pantry in here, a nice open concept, as well as good height. And you also have, look at all this here, it's a well-lit bathroom with all of this storage. You have all that there. And then actually, if the camera guy can squeeze, you'll see it's got hanging closet space right in that area there. So you've got all that. It's another little door down below. You got your toilet and your sink and everything in here, easy to get to everything. It's got a low step shower. It's got a nice skylight inside the bathroom. So again, real nice space for you. It's going to be open. It's going to be well lit. It's going to be all that you need for a nice couple to go out camping and enjoy this beautiful part of the country we live in here in Oregon, or further beyond, of course. You do have a 7.5 foot width, so it's still very roomy, and when it's closed in, you still have access to get to the bathroom. When you come out through here, you have the grab handle to grab there. That folds away. Your push button electric awning outside covers a nice area for your patio. You're also going to have heavy duty scissor jacks that go at each corner here for you, which is nice to have that. Spare tire. It's also going to be nice with the Coachmen Nano product. We do get them in with the black tank flush and your outside shower. Easy to get to on the dumping area for your black and gray tanks too is important. Magnets that hold up those doors, and look at all that nice storage through there is really a good thing as well. You also have your cap up here that incorporates that window, has a little LED accent. You're going to have all that diamond plate down below for rock chips. 5-gallon tank makes it really easy to carry an extra one and be able to carry 2 in your hand, 1 each hand, be able to load them up and all that, carry them, have plenty of storage. And also when you have a few extras at home, a lot of times you have a grill at home, you can use the same size, 5-gallon. So also too, you know, I highly recommend it if you feel like you need that. You can put a power tongue jack on there as well too, but these do lift up pretty easily. They're not super hard, but that power tongue jack's a nice feature that you can look into as well. I highly recommend it. Again, this is a 2020 fresh unit for us, a 19 foot, really lightweight, easy to tow, excellent capacities for carrying capacity. If you have any questions, again, at the end of the video, there'll be a phone number. Give me a call if you have any. My name is Tom Peterson, been here for over 29 years. And remember, out here in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.